Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the YouTube app and finding the exact video you want on your laptop. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so access is seamless. Once ready, tap Share, then Copy Link. This places the full video URL on your phone clipboard. You do this because a direct link opens the same resource on any browser. It's fast and avoids extra setup. Keep the phone unlocked so you can switch apps to confirm the copy. Now move to your laptop and open your preferred browser. Click the address bar and paste the URL you copied from your phone, then press Enter. The video will load in YouTube's web player. Make sure you sign in if the content is restricted or set to private. Once loaded, you can maximize the player or change quality settings. This method works because the URL points directly to the same video ID, so it avoids network casting or device pairing complexities. With the video open on the laptop, control playback with the spacebar, arrows, or on-screen buttons. If the wrong video appears, go back to your phone and recopy the full URL from Share, then repaste. Partial links can redirect. If the link won't paste, verify clipboard access and that both devices have internet. As a quick fallback, email or message the link to yourself and open that on the laptop. These steps finish the transfer and solve the most common hiccup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.